So you need new windows and a new insulation, but what would be the most energy efficient? Let's talk about it. So there's a few things to consider here. And first off, you're most likely gonna get the most bang for your buck by insulating or reinsulating your home, whether that's your exterior walls with a product like RetroFoam or looking at your attic or crawl space area. However, there are some exceptions. Now keep in mind, windows also play a big factor in your overall energy efficiency and of course are a big part of your building envelope. So having good windows that are properly sealed and function well, those are very important. Most of the time, insulation is going to be your best option as far as overall energy efficiency. If your windows are in really bad conditions, for example, if they're 50, 60, 70, 80 years old, most likely you're gonna lose a ton of energy through those windows, and you're probably noticing that. You're probably seeing and feeling drafts, all kinds of moisture issues around those windows. This is a really good sign that your windows are probably your biggest concern. You should probably make that the top of your priority list. Now with insulation in areas like attics, basements, crawl spaces, you can visually check those and see if you can maybe wait till next season to see if insulation can hold off. For exterior walls, unfortunately you don't have that luxury, and if you did not re-insulate those walls yourself, most likely you had the original insulation from when the house was built and it needs to be re-insulated. Again, unless your windows are really, really bad and you feel the air just pouring in and out, insulation's probably your best bet. So if you're ready to take back the control of your home's energy efficiency, go to our link below to our Find a Dealer page where you can meet your local RetroFoam dealer today. This is the Professor of Foam reminding you that building is a science.